Okay, we're going to work on the Makita EA5600F. And as you can see, I have a broken tension slide right in front of me. It is missing the little control part. It belongs right there. So let's see if we can fix this and show you how I replaced mine. Let's see how about like 10 minutes. Makita does provide you all the tools you need. I took the luxury of using my drill motor so I can make it a little quicker than normal. So we're just gonna go heck away at it. Alrighty. But let's start with these guys here. This is provided by Makita, like I said. This tool here. Just loosen them a little bit, both of them, and the dust cover will come off. Just about. Dust cover is off, and we have these star type screws here. The T27 and T28. They both seem to be able to do the job. Let's get them out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Heat cover off. Nice. Put the screws together with a device. So the tensioner is right here. As you can see, the new one has a control pin on it. That has to be replaced by the one I ordered. I did a little research here. I had to order it from this eReplacementParts.com. They're very nice people. They can get you the part within a week, I believe. The whole thing cost me in parts, I mean, less than 50 bucks. I don't know, I don't remember exactly. But the part number I'm using here is a MAK 130213-51. And all you're going to have to really do is alright, so now we do need a Phillips screwdriver. They don't provide that, so you're gonna have to get one. So you got one little control screw right in here, and that takes this plastic cover off from the gear assembly. So here we go, it's coming off. The first time it took me quite a while to figure this out, but now I think I can do it like ASAP. Keep the screw right here, and I had to like jam a screwdriver in here to get this out of here. Let's see, and here she comes. It's already loose, so it's coming out really easy, but basically here's the main drive, here's the plastic that goes to it, and this is how it's going to look when you replace the slider on top of the plastic housing and another gear that goes with it. So you're going to have to just unscrew this from there. This comes out right from there, and you'll be able to polish it back up, and no big deal. Putting it back together, piece of cake. Put this right in here. There's only one way it goes in. This forward will be going in first, plus at the same time you want to get it over the control nut there. And let's see if we can. Sometimes you have to jiggle it in a little bit. Come on, we can do it. Just because we're showing off doesn't mean I can't do this. Come on. There she is. She's back in. Ta-da! And we're going to put it back together in another, go go ahead and time me. 5 minutes? That's it. I was a little worried at first. How do you calibrate this? How do you adjust this? But there's only one way it goes in, and there's only one way that it's gonna fit together. So I think that'll be it. We're putting this back together how it belongs. We have the long screw on this end here and the short one there. And ta-da! Here she is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all 4 screws there. I have to admit, I was quite worried. I tried to look on YouTube for how to do this. There's nowhere that tells you how to really take the whole thing apart. So I decided, all right, make somebody's life easier. If you want to know how to change a starter or some parts on your 009 Town and Country, you can look for me also. I'm on YouTube for that. I saved somebody some time and money how to do that thing. So let's double check that there. I don't know. Let's see. It's all good. 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 Yeah, all right. Now look at that. I think we got it in less than 5 minutes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And this will go here. And voila. So, yes, my name is Sigmund Glazer. Yes, I'm a Vietnam vet. Yes, I like to help people. And yes, sometimes I'm right. But here you go, guys. Good luck on your endeavors.